Citizen science means that we can engage the public into the scientific processes.
If you participate in a scientific project to whatever level it is, then you enhancing your own commitment to society, you empower yourself, you learn new things, you encounter lots of people, and you get positive feedback on what you're doing, so you feel better in society altogether.
Citizenship, this idea to be responsible for society, to care for the others, for nature, is I think one of the key issues why it's called citizen science, not individual science.
One really interesting thing of citizen science is that it can be, in a way, very global. So say we can share methodologies with a project in Sydney and Barcelona, for instance, and we can share the same technologies, the same approaches.
And also in Europe we see we have at a national scale networks of citizen science, and we try to come together lively as now, but we also try to develop our social media tools that we can exchange tools and ideas and so on.
Okay, so what we are going to do now is just to make a presentation on site, okay, of 10 different projects from here, from Barcelona. We are going to first go to the Parc de la Ciutadella, which is a park, and after that we are going to the seafront, where there are 3 research centers that are participating in this safari.
One is watching the sea, okay, the Sea Watchers, the project, and is trying to help to detect jellyfish in the beach, to detect the plastics, divers, fishermen, all these communities, and activate them to detect new species and detect many things that might happen in there. There is another one which is Cyclops, which they construct an open source device to measure the pollution and the quality of the seawater.
The most important thing for the reports we're getting from the breeding sites is that we get a photo both of a close-up of the site but also of the area.
Another is mosquito tiger, which is just looking for the importance of or the presence of mosquito tiger in Barcelona and other parts of Catalonia.
Now is a great time specifically because the whole world is concerned with climate change, for instance. We're all together on the same ship, and I think it's the proper time.
This is a very nice approach to introduce the concept of a very different democracy practice, and something that some people already call deliberative democracy, which is like using the citizens' approach to ask to the people what they feel, what they want to do, what they want to know. So taking data, but also thinking about what is this data, what is for, what do we want that, and do that openly with the citizens and with the scientists.
I think it's a global movement that people really would like to participate and also to be responsible, more responsible for their own lives.